Good morning. There are multi number of cases, particularly the woman death, which is being uh, investigated for offences under section 498A, 306 IPC, 304B, even for 302, 376, etc. But these cases, the police thinks that it is somewhat lucky for them to earn some amount. This is what happening all over India. Very straining. Even recently, one of our High Court judges held that the cases against women are not properly investigated. Even in my case, a clear case of 302, after calling a wife at Hyundai car showroom, compelling her to obtain money from father. When she refused, she was taken to home, beaten severely whole night, and thereafter he went on. He did not return home. She was found dead after 20 hours on due search of her father about his daughter. That case is being investigated at Pallikarne police stations. Despite the High Court order, they are not filing charge sheet. They say RDO report is not yet received. What is shameful! I have also issued a notice, pre-contempt notice, because there was a direction to complete the investigation to monitor them. Despite that, these police officials are sleeping like anything. They are allowing the accused to retain all the important evidence. Here is the case. The Supreme Court has heavily come on such cases. AR 2021, Supreme Court 277, Dr. Naresh Kumar Mangala versus Srimati Anita Agarwal, wherein Dowry Prohibition Act Section 3 and 4, anticipatory bail application was granted, that was set aside. They say transfer of investigation, application for case of dowry death, investigation is tainted and likelihood of justice being deflected, conduct of investigating authorities not inspiring confidence from stage of arriving at scene of occurrence to filing of charge sheet to entrust further investigation of the case to CBI is necessary investigation transfer. Multi number of cases were unfortunate thing is that when I filed a contempt application before the High Court staffs are newly recruited, being transferred from one section to other section. She says, why you have said criminal OP number dated all? You simply say criminal OP number only. All nuisance, nonsense objection, nagging deliberately. The whole day, frequently the staffs are moving from their seat to canteen. I do not know, that is by gang. 3 persons, 4 persons collectively leaving the places. And they are not raising objections at a time, but by installment they are raising objection. Compelling juniors to delete your father's name, delete advocate's enrollment number. Irrelevant, irritating. Only for that purpose, probably because advocates are agitating. A plan was cooked that this coronavirus spread is due to opening of chamber. When something had happened, public prosecutor office would have closed the public prosecutor office. Instead of closing public prosecutor office, you have closed the chamber. Did you notice any adverse or gathering chamber? No, advocates are entering. They themselves have conscience that they are not supposed to stay in a confined room for hours together. Therefore, they are going and removing their dress or case bundle. I do not understand what is the ideology or logic behind closing up. Whatever it may be, I hope the corona will definitely punish those staffs who are indulging in commercial business in numbering applications. with the connivance of some of the high rank staffs and with these corporate legal officers. See, relaxation of bail condition application was returned after 3 months. Nobody is questioning all those that. I hope this may be brought to the notice of Chief Justice that so many staffs are yearning, some of the staffs are yearning by taking confidence of innocent staffs, and the staffs are not properly concentrating on the work. It is very unfortunate the superior officer is worse than the subordinate officials who are passing clerks. Deputy registrars, assistant registrars are not aware anything. They are also roaming from one place to other places. Under these circumstances, our leader, Mr. Mohan Krishnan, called for boycott of this. I am with full support with my Mohan Krishnan. But unfortunately, what happens? Even if there are physical courts, we are not in a position to prevent the advocates appearing. Now they have got very well opportunity to appear before the court by proxy, by video conferencing. Therefore, though the call is justified and it is going to be misused, not misused, overcome by the advocates who have got cases, and particularly the corporate advocates, the disciplined robot juniors trained by the corporate officers by paying meager salaries would definitely get over this boycott. They may not be concerned about these sort of problems. See, one thing is there, I definitely say that corona will not go back. It will definitely affect the persons who are erring. This is a God punishment. And I hope very soon several High Court staff, including Superior Officer High Court staff, may also be affected by the corona, because they are not wearing mask. They are roaming from one place to other. They are not controlling their subordinates. In turn, they are colluding with the corporate advocate officers. Therefore, I pray Almighty, because I can't stop this. It is only judiciary and vigilance officer must check. Definitely the vigilance officer may not check, because there is also a problem that these staffs are close relation to each other all over. They are having tie each other, and like Indian democracy, how caste system works, like that this tie group of staffs is also working, and so that they are earning money. And I could not see any OS inside any of the sections. I do not know where they are working, and 4.5 months had taken place to get back the previous bundle. Simply say this bundle is with the judge, then they say it may be with the current section. If they say that it is now I have traced it has to become. What does it mean? They want auto charges from one section to other section, or flight charges from one section to other section? All irritating. Keeping papers for years together. Behave. When I have approached the staff, she said you keep it there, and she immediately went to canteen with 3 ladies. What nonsense are going? I don't think that my mind will always be stable to maintain law and order. I hope this may be brought to the notice of some judges who are concentrating on proper administration of justice, so that first you must remove the difficulties and irregularities and illegalities being committed by the High Court judiciary, High Court registry staff. Otherwise, I don't think ಎಷ್ಟು